Okay, quick run through ACS Vertical. We send this out dry. That means no grease on this section, the pintle. It's going to go up into this receiver. It's steel on steel, and we suggest, and we do, put a little bit of grease on here to help keep the surfaces clear of surface rust, because the paint is going to get knocked off and you're going to get a little bit of bubbling of that paint. Bit of grease helps because it's going to go in easier, but you want to keep this section dry. Getting close, a very slight angle, up, cockle, and it snaps into place. Green means it's good to go. Taking it off, I suggest 2 fingers across the side of there to push the wheel in, and then as per the symbol here, in and round, in and then round. Transfer your hand to this side, support it, bring it back out. At a slight angle helps. It is vertical, but it goes in like that, and it's in. Now, no grease on here at the minute. It will be easier when you put a bit of grease on it. But then get a service neoprene glove, pop it over, or a little poly bag, laggy band. It keeps the grease where you want it, not in your bag, not on your alcove coupling. Then you're going to put that cap up into there. The socket actually hinges down on this example because it's on an Audi Q3, and you're going to get full access to that. Breakaway eyelets are stamped in the tow bar at the back. You will get access to them. And there you go. Straightforward. A couple of practices and it's in that easy. If you don't see it green, what it means is it hasn't located properly. In that example, take it out. You will not be able to lock the coupling here, so you know it's not fitted correctly. If you cannot lock it, it is not ready to use. So always load it and lock it with the key provided. 180 degrees, take the key out. If you can't lock it, it means these haven't gone up far enough. A little bit of cleaning, possibly with an emery paper or a little file or a screwdriver, just to take that surface rust off. A little bit of grease, but protect it with a little polythene bag, service glove, however you want to do that. We don't send it out like that because you can put it in a bag like this, and you don't want that grease in there. But we guide you through it. Give us a call if you need help, but it's pretty straightforward. Off, support it, put it away with that little red window showing red. That means it's primed, ready to go. Done. Hope that helps. Give us a call if you need any help.